Our objective on every project is to help companies become more efficient and better with the new projects that we're endeavoring with them. It's really a very simple process. It's all about listening and collecting information. I'm Alan Popkin. I'm the principal at AHP Architects. AHP Architects offers a wide variety of services. We specialize in life science projects as well as highly specialized manufacturing projects.
Working with AHP was great. We really partnered together to focus on my expertise, understanding our process and our equipment, and then utilizing their experience to put that together with code compliance and architecture to build a cohesive building that allowed us to take advantage of the strengths of having a larger building and the equipment that we already have, plus the equipment we were bringing in.
We want to try and help companies create the most efficient design that we can. We understand how all of that works, and we feel like we can help companies really develop the highly successful facilities.